Hi, my name is Carolyn.
Hi, I'm Deb.
Hi, my name is Mindy.
My life was miserable. So I went for 17 years like that.
I started suffering hot flashes and mood swings and depression and just was not myself. And
16 years ago, I was not feeling so great, a little down, a little depressed. So I didn't want to face that.
I met the incredible holistic doctors, functional medicine doctors that knew how to treat menopause and they knew how to help me.
There was such an imbalance in my system with the hormones that the hormones have replaced everything in my body and brought it back up to speed to where I should be.
no hot flashes, I sleep well, my energy level's good, I'm able to work long hours.